Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
It is August 1st and finally, some of you might be saying, oh my gosh, it's August 1st. We're saying, finally, it's August 1st. It's gorgeous here, and we thought, perfect opportunity for a check-in video where we check in with you all over and you tell us what's going on in your garden, what you're super excited about, something great that happened, and everyone just do that right here on this video. This will be really fun.
Yeah, it's been really fun to read in the comments on YouTube and on Instagram and Facebook that so many of you are growing your own food and just so excited about it. So we want to hear more from you.
Yeah, really cool. On Instagram, where a lot of us also hang out other than YouTube, there's someone named Sandra Latinista. She showed a picture of her watching a CaliKim live stream with her smart pots in the foreground.
That's great.
And her other posts are just her doing everything that she's learning from the channel. Very, very cool. Sandra, way to go. Good job. You're looking good. So, what are you excited about right now?
I am super excited, first of all, about the berries. We've had amazing blackberries and strawberries this summer. And Jerry, you and I have been eating a nice little handful of these on our yogurt berry bowls every morning. I love coming out here in the mornings and picking them. They're so much fun.
Yes, I have these every morning. Show those again. They're really good.
They're amazing.
I have them every morning at work with my yogurt and granola, little granola crunchies.
Yeah, they're so good. Another thing I'm really excited about is the fact that we finally have grapes. You guys saw it on the July garden tour last weekend. But I want to show you guys a closer look again.
All right, you gonna show us now?
Yeah, I want to show you.
All right, let's go do it. Let's go.
Okay.
I'll get the camera. All right, here we go. And CaliKim, you are on in 3, 2, 1.
Well, come on over and see my grapes, guys. One reason I am so excited about them is because we planted them about 4 years ago and have never really gotten a significant harvest from them.
I remember.
The first 2 years, we didn't bother pruning anything. I didn't really know anything about pruning. Didn't get a single grape off them. Last year we pruned, but the birds got all the grapes. So this year we pruned and we've got grapes. Now I covered them with the shade cloth here to protect them from the birds. Came out yesterday and found some stripped vines in the back there. So I remembered a viewer suggested that I cover the individual clusters, which I thought was a brilliant, simple but brilliant idea. And I'm so sorry, I can't remember the viewer's name. So if you were the one who suggested this, please let me know.
Yeah, down in the comment, tell us it was you.
Definitely. So basically what I did is I took a piece of old sheer curtain that I've been using for shade cloth, just wrapped it around the individual clusters.
Perfect.
Put a little zip tie here at the top, and I'm hoping that this does the job and that we're able to harvest hopefully in a couple weeks.
Yeah, it looks like it's working.
So far so good. So we'll definitely bring you guys along for the harvest, but I am so excited about these grapes. And you know what, Jerry? We never even got our really tall trellis built this year. But in spite of our neglect, it's still working.
Okay, well, I'm going to share with you now what I'm excited about in our garden, and I'll show you here in a minute. Any guesses?
The peppers?
No, not the peppers. Let me see if I can turn this around. I am excited about the living wall. Look how much it's grown. You remember, Kim?
Yeah, these trees were like a foot tall last year. About a year ago this time we put them in. They were about this tall.
Yeah, you're right.
And now they're up over the fence and really making a nice green backdrop here. It's really pretty.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this because this is going to lead to some new ideas and some changes here in the backyard. So there it is, the summer garden check-in. We shared with you what we're super excited about. Now it's your guys' time to share your victories, share something that you're super stoked about. We're totally excited to read all of your stories.
Yeah, this video is all about you guys. We want to hear what you are blessed with about growing your own food. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.